Hey guys, this is Ryan at Doyles Automotive. Welcome back. We got this Ford Fusion we're still working on, and we're getting ready to replace the PCM. Figured to make a little video for guys that have a J-Box, haven't done Ford yet. Go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So go ahead, we're using the Snap-on Pass-Through Pro 3 J-Box, but it's gonna be all the same. We do have the FJDS software, and we have an active subscription. So at this point, you're going to pull up the vehicle screen, go ahead and load the vehicle, which we already have done here. Next, you want to do is click the toolbox on the upper left, module reprogramming, and you're going to want to click the tick in the bottom right. Click the PCM, and again, click the tick. Just going to go through its process here. Want you to switch the ignition to off. You want to make sure you follow these instructions carefully. Do exactly as it says. Don't take any shortcuts. We're going to go ahead, shut the ignition off. And we want to click the tick in the bottom right hand corner again. Okay, click the tick. Going to make sure your VIN is correct, which it is. Click correct. Okay, now it wants us to install the new module in the vehicle. So at this point, the ignition key is off. You can go ahead and disconnect your battery or replace whatever module we're replacing. Again, we're replacing the PCM. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and then I'll restart it back when we got the new PCM and back on the J-Box here. Okay guys, welcome back. We just went ahead and put the module in the car. It is replaced, and now we're back on our tool here. So install new module in vehicle. We're going to go ahead and press the tick. Now do not start programming with a low battery. Press the tick. Okay. Set the ignition switch to on, go in the vehicle and go ahead and do that. It's in the on position. It's going to make you do this a whole bunch of times. And it's doing it. Guys, we're back. Sorry, I'm eating my dinner here. Currently like 7:20. Clock on the computer's wrong. We're going to set the ignition switch to the off position, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're off. We're going to press the tick in the bottom right. Set it to the on position, hit OK. Hit OK. Set it to the off switch. Hit OK. Calibration is loaded and checked. Hit OK again. This is telling us what to fill out on our label. Start engine. Position. Okay, now we're in our key menu. We're going to want to go ahead and reprogram some keys so the vehicle will start. Again, so it requires a parameter reset, and here we are. I turn the ignition switch to the on position. Where we're at now, make sure you guys can see. Okay, right now we're gaining security access to the module. This will take 10 minutes.
We have gained security access to the PATS module. We're going to hit the tick in the bottom right again, and we're in. Security access granted. All right, we're going to want to do a parameter reset. Need 2 keys to start the vehicle. If you replace PATS, you wish to continue. Yes. The ignition is in the on position. Says it's been successful. The vehicle now starts and it is running. So I lost track. I was running around doing a couple other things. So let me just let me shut this off first so we can talk. So let's talk about it real quick. What we did after we went ahead and did the programmable module install, the first part of the video, what we had to do, being that I replaced the PCM, is do a parameter reset in the PATS module. So after you do the PCM install and reprogram, the vehicle will not start right off the bat. Do not panic. The program tells you to start the vehicle. It will not start. You just continue as if you did start it. Afterwards, you have to go back to the toolbox of the FJDS, get security access to the PATS module, and then once that is done, you do the parameter reset. Parameter reset resets everything. Now our keys work and we're on fire. So that's all we had to do, guys. The vehicle's done, it's fixed, repaired, you know, and a nice, easy, confirmed fix. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, give me a comment down below. Have a good one.